This coin raised almost 40% in the last few months and is standing at a $1 billion of massive market cap with $541 million of daily trading volume. Has the time of this coin come, or is it the right time to invest in this project, or is it just a phase? Let us find out. Hello and welcome to Crypto's Monopoly. My name is Daksh and this is the 100x Crypto series. In this episode of the 100x Crypto series, I'm going to answer all your questions about Qtum and tell you everything you need to know about this project. Also, at the end of this video, I will give you my opinion and tell you my price prediction. So if you are planning to buy Qtum or have Qtum or already invested in it, then do make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Hello. When I check for flights, traveler.com is my go-to website. It is user-friendly, relatively low cost, and the biggest thing is it supports crypto payments. So a few days back when I was checking for a flight, I got an ad from traveler.com. It was offering 40% off to Qtum holders, that is the Qtum coin holders, and that too on all kind of deals. And to celebrate their partnership, they were offering a weekend vacation of $2,000 cash by which you can travel anywhere around the world. Being a crypto enthusiast, this news excites me and I kept digging to find more, and this curiosity led me to Qtum coin. Now let us explore Qtum a bit, but before moving forward, you need to understand its history and working, and which is the very important part of any project. There was a movie that came out in 2004 called Napoleon Dynamite.
What are you drawing?
A liger.
What's a liger?
That's like a lion and a tiger mixed. Bred for its skills and magic.
In that movie, there was a reference to an animal called liger. At first, I laughed at the absurdity of this animal and I thought that this type of creature was only in laboratories. But soon I realized that such an animal actually exists in the real world. It was a mix of lion and tiger, and so they named it liger. It has more height, longer teeth, and larger bones than average lions and tigers. Patrick Dye, the CEO of Qtum, did the same with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It was the March of 2016 when he and his two friends started a non-profit organization with the name of Qtum Foundation. And 1 year later, in 2017, they introduced their dream project, Qtum Blockchain, to the world. It was special for them because it was made by the combination of the two biggest blockchains, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, you may be wondering what is the need and how did they do it? And also what are the benefits he and his company get from this? So to answer all these questions, let me tell you a few facts. So these two blockchains play a very crucial role in the crypto industry. And they have a market presence of over $1 trillion, but there is one major problem in them. They don't get along with each other. They are like water and oil and are widely different in nature and don't mix with each other. But this drawback didn't stop Patrick to use them for his own good. He knew the important qualities of these two blockchains, and then he decided to bell the cat by combining the qualities of both. One question you may ask is, why does he need them in the first place? And if Bitcoin is the lion and Ethereum is the tiger, how come these two joined with each other? So let me tell you this in short. Bitcoin has something called as the UTXO model, which stands for unspent transaction output. And Bitcoin uses this as an exchange machine to conduct transactions. So let's understand it through an example. Suppose you have $100 and you went to the supermarket and bought $50 spent. What you will do is you will give those $100 to the shopkeeper, and in exchange you will get $50 change, and after that you can use this change, that is the $50, to buy some other goods. So the UTXO work on the same principle, and this quality provides security and stability in the network. We will not go into so much detail about this, and it is the simplest example I could give you. If you want this, or if you want to learn this in detail, then let me know in the comment section below and I will make a dedicated video to show you how the UTXO model works in real life. And if you are enjoying this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. So where were we? Yeah, on Patrick. Well, Patrick knew this quality of Bitcoin and used this model as the core foundation of Qtum, which provides stability and security to his network. Now, by doing this, he solved half the problems, but the other half was to bind Ethereum virtual machine to UTXO of Bitcoin, which itself is a tedious task. So he and his team made a new program to join both of them, and they have named it Account Abstraction Layer. They put this layer over Bitcoin's foundation, and this layer acts as a source to bind both the blockchains. They not only designed this layer for Ethereum's virtual machine, but also for all the other virtual machines. So in the future, if any new virtual machine comes into the market with better and improved functions, then it can also be bind with this layer. They also have designed Qtum to support programming languages such as Rust, C++, Python, and Go, which provides freedom to all the developers of all over the world to make smart contracts in their respective languages. Now, one problem still came into their way, the problem of consensus algorithm. Now, those who don't know what consensus algorithm is, I will give you a brief definition about it. Now, it is a process in which different people of the network agree on the same thing for the welfare and development of that particular blockchain. Bitcoin and Ethereum both were working on the proof of work algorithm, which frankly speaking is not environment friendly. It consumes a lot of power and requires a lot of hardware. So they decided to go with a proof of stake consensus algorithm, and those who don't know what the proof of stake is, it is an algorithm in which a person can validate transactions according to how many coins they hold in that network. Now, after solving each and every problem in their way, they finally created the Qtum chain and organized its ICO, in which they raised around 15 million US dollars, which is a pretty good amount for any coin to draw the attention of the investors. Now, this money helped them financially to fund their projects and their developers, their employees, and some other people of their network. Now, let's come to the most important part of this video, and this is the part where our money is involved. Over the years, Qtum has partnered with various big companies such as Baofeng. It is a Chinese video platform company. People sometimes call it YouTube of China. Amazon Web Services China, QuickSwap exchange platform, BlockPass service for KYC, IndiaCoin Limited cryptocurrency exchange, and recently with Traveler.com. It also launched its satellite for blockchain advantages with a space chain company in 2018. All this partnership has helped Qtum to survive and flourish in the volatile crypto market. And now, at the time I'm making this video, it is in the 78th position among the top 100 cryptocurrencies all around the world. Because of its partnership with various big companies and providing facilities to the application developers, it has also got a name called Ethereum of China, which is no doubt a great compliment for it. A lot of experts believe that Qtum will suffer from scaling problems because of the UTXO model. I think that they can solve this issue of scaling with lightning technique or sharding technique, or a combination of both, just like they did with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if you want to know more about sharding, then click on the I button over here where I have explained what sharding is in detail. And now we are at the most important part of Qtum, which is its token distribution technique. The initial supply of Qtum coins was around 100 million, in which the majority of 51 million coins was sold to the public, and the rest 49 million was saved for developers, researchers, community development, private investors, etc. Now, if you talk about its reward system, then the reward system in Qtum is one of the best in the market. It rewards 4 tokens per block, and like Bitcoin, they have also decided to make it half every 4 years, and by 2024 the block reward will reach 0 and the supply of tokens will be maximum. Now, if you want to buy Qtum, then this is the right time, and it is very simple to buy. You can buy it from various crypto exchanges. It is quite famous right now, and you can also buy it from its main wallet. Now, before investing in Qtum, there are certain things that you should keep in mind. The most important thing is that despite being China's Ethereum, its foundation is based in Singapore, and its price is affected by a lot of factors such as the development news, project news, market sentiment, the flow of cryptocurrencies in various exchanges, etc. Now, this is not a financial advice in any way, and it is just my opinion, but this is a very good project and people have trust in it, and they believe that it is truly decentralized. If we talk about its current price, then the current price of Qtum when I'm recording this video is $10.84, that is $10.84 with a 24-hour trading volume of $541 million, and it is ranked at 79 among all the other cryptocurrencies. Now, looking at the current bullish crypto market, I expect the market cap of Qtum to reach around 10 billion US dollars and the price to reach at least $90 by the end of this year. Tell me, what do you think about this project in the comment section, and also tell me which two coins in the market have an equal tendency to join and become something extraordinary like this project. Also, which coin do you like and want to explore with me in the next video? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's meet on the next video with a new coin and new information. Till then, thank you for joining. Take very good care of yourself, and yeah, keep investing.